Hi. We are organizing a full day valuation course on 7th of June in Medicon Village. So I wanted to reach out to you to understand what are you going to gain after attending this valuation workshop. Let's say you are a very small sized company, just moved to Smile Incubator and you're trying to reach out to VCs. So the question is that how would you handle valuation? Should you conduct a detailed net present value analysis and show it to the VCs? The answer is no, because this is not how VCs think. So this workshop will allow you to understand how investors think. And if your thinking and the investors thinking align, then you get a better result, right? So for example, VC's business model is based on power law, meaning that most of their investments fail. It's only 2 to 3 investments that give them a big return. Now, the question is that if they believe that your science is kind of disruptive, okay, so the next question they are going to think and ask themselves is, despite addressing a high unmet medical need, would they be able to exit? And if yes, what are the ways of exit? That's investor thinking. Now, let's say you have raised money and now you have moved out of Smile Incubator. Now you have a big office in Medicon Village, right? Now you have started attending Bio Europe and many other events, congresses to reach out to strategic partners, large pharmaceutical companies. Now the thinking of the strategic partners of pharmaceutical companies is completely different than venture capital, for example. So here you have to dig deeper into risk and reward of that asset, get into detailed analysis, trying to understand patients' unmet need, what is the, let's say, net present value of that particular asset, how you can structure a licensing deal. So we are going to talk about these things in that particular workshop. In fact, we'll be having a hands-on practice also about a phase 2 asset. Most importantly, when you get out of this particular workshop, you will feel confident, or at least your fundamentals will be very strong, so that you can evaluate independently any valuation assessment done by any other service provider or your team member, and so on. So I look forward to see you on 7th of June. Thank you very much.